Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? How y'all doing this morning? This beautiful morning. Good morning, my pandas. Whoo! What a day. Good morning, everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. Market's about to open in a few seconds, in a few minutes here. About 2 minutes here. I don't like how slow my chart is right now. It feels a little janky. Yesterday was wild. Absolute trash. Pretty much the entire day. It is obviously uptrend, but look at these candles. Look at these candles. Look at this. Look at these areas of terrible price action. And it's not actually till the last 10 minutes of the day we actually get something nice. Like some clear movement. We stayed above the 20 EMA essentially all day. Other than the open. What a move, right? What a move yesterday, because if you think about it, we opened like in the Globex session. Just look at this. The Globex session opened like 1.5% beneath the previous week's close. It opened this far down. And then we closed like far above the previous week's high. How insane is that? And this is a daily chart. It's a bullish engulfing. I mean, this, what can I say? This looks bullish. This looks insanely bullish to me. We're about to blast off into with Artemis here. We're gonna meet Artemis up on the moon here. It's gonna be an Artemis. Hopefully, it's an Artemis type day, and we just go long. We make money today. That's the plan, pandas, and that's the plan. You hear me? That's the plan. I'm sticking to it. Market just opened. Ooh, oh, Artemis candle. We just opened. Whoa. It's a huge risk. We had one Artemis candle. Big up, big down. I'm just chilling out now. That's kind of scary. Ooh. Hello? Hello? Confusing. Let's let it cook a little bit. The market's going crazy. Market's kind of going a little bit nutsos right now. It's going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, breaks the previous candle's high. Breaks the previous candle's high. And strong bull bar ending on its high. I was waiting for the second entry long. Didn't give it to me, unfortunately. Ooh, it's ugly. What's happening right now? I should let this cook, but I'm going to go long anyways. Thoughts and prayers. I should let this cook, but I'm going to go long. Thoughts and prayers. Probably trading range here. I'm going long at the top of the trading range. Thoughts and prayers, pandas. We're shooting for the stars. We're shooting for the stars, pandas. We're shooting for the stars. Come on. Come on. We are absolutely shooting for the stars. Hold. Oi. 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 Boy. We're hanging out. Just hanging out now. Can I get a move? Can I get a push? Can we get a push? Can we get a little bit of follow through? One time, without taking me out break even. And of course not. Not today, not yesterday, not the day before, not the day after. Never do we get follow through on these breakouts. Ever. Only after it takes me out break even with my scale in. And I waited for my scale in too. I waited very patiently to enter in again. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Baby Panda didn't like that trade. Baby Panda didn't like that price action at all. Sorry, I'm gonna read the chat soon. I'm just so focused on the charts. Like we are just, we're basically trading tick by tick here. I mean, second entry long. After it takes me out break even, now it decides to break out. Super frustrating. Like I hate these deep retracements out of nowhere. Unfortunate. It makes a new high. Higher low, pandas. I mean, this price action does not. Ooh. I could try. I could try here. Let's see. It doesn't exude lots of breakout power here. If anything, it's the opposite. It looks like it's going to reverse. Yikes. I'm in. I'm certainly in now. I want to break out like very soon. Within the next 2 bars, I want to break out. I'm out here. I'm out here. But I'm scaling up if this breaks the previous candle's high. Can we squeeze? One time. Give me a big squeeze. Give me a big squeeze one time. And if this reverses again, pandas, I'm just going to lose it. I'm going to lose it if this reverses again. I'm absolutely going to lose it if this reverses again. Pandas, one time. Give me my push up one time. One time. Give me my push up. And we're dead. Oh! Pandas! Where's my push? Every single day, this tomfoolery. Every single day, tomfoolery, pandas. Like, strong bull bars getting reversed on a dime. So incredibly frustrating. These super strong bull bars. What I mean by that, like, sorry, it didn't exit some of my trades. Hey. Hey, come back. Come back! Okay. Whoa, don't come back that much. You don't have to come back that much. Yes. Golly, pandas. Like, Give me my push one time where we don't come out break even on our scale in. Just one time. Why do I feel like we're going to lose this trade? We're going to lose this one too? Okie dokie. Big push up. I mean, only way I'm entering is a higher low. Thing is, all my trades are very little risk because I'm coming out break even. I'm taking my risk off every trade very quickly. So I'm not risking anything in any of these trades here. Two strong bull bars. I mean, if we don't push up now, what are we going to do? When are we going to push up? If we don't do it now, when are we doing it? You know what I mean? If we don't do it now, when are we doing it? You know what I mean? We're going double here. We're going double here. If we don't do it now, when are we going to do it? You know what I mean? If this isn't it, then when will it be, pandas? If this one isn't it, then when will it be? I'm coming out break even every single trade, pandas. I can't even trade this market. I'm done. I'm done with today's market. I'm done before I even start. I cannot trade today's market today, pandas. I cannot do it. It's taking me out break even every single trade. Oh, golly. It's taking me out break even every single trade. I can't do it. I just can't do it. I can't do it, pandas. It's taking me out break even every single trade, pandas. Can you blame me? Can you blame me? I'm trying here. I'm trying my best. It's taking me out break even every single trade. I mean, look, if it's not breaking out, I don't want to be in the trade. Right? If it's coming out, taking me out break even, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. Because that means after a strong push, it reversed. I don't want to be a part of it. You know what I mean, pandas? I don't want any part of it. If it's a strong bull bar, let me show you what I mean. Right? Like oh my gosh, I was upset because I was looking for another push up after this strong bull bar. Guess what happens? Wham! Folds on me. Look, it folds again. The strong bear bar, and then bam, folds again. This is why I can't trade this market right now. That is exactly why it's difficult for me to trade this. It's taking my break even every single trade. Look, if it ain't moving, then I don't want any part of it. If he's gonna play games with me, I don't want anything to do with it. It's actually funny. I'm actually up all my other accounts except my main account. It's all good. I'm break even on my main account, but all my other accounts are up like $500,000 or something like that. Great. Wonderful. Very wonderful. Very wonderful. I don't even care. I'm going short. I don't even care. I'm going short. On the most extreme bullish trend I've ever seen in my life, I'm going short. I don't care. It could not push up when I needed it to. So I'm going to take the opposite. I'm doing the opposite, pandas. It couldn't push up when I needed to. No matter how strong the initial move up is, there's a 50-50 chance it reverses. Are we getting that 50-50 chance right now? And I'm dead. I tried, pandas. I tried. Well, I mean, we're still in this trade, but I tried. Golly. I mean, I hold, I guess. I'll hold. I'll just lose this. It's not much risk. Win or lose. Gotta get your hands dirty sometimes. You know what I mean, pandas? You gotta get your hands dirty by holding real tight. By holding your stop loss real tight in these situations. You gotta get your hands dirty sometimes. You know what I mean, pandas? You gotta hold on so tight. All that dirt rubs off on your hands. Sometimes, pandas, you gotta just hold on real tight. Get your palms a little dirty. Oh, I'm dead. I am 99.99% sure I'm dead. And I'm dead. Yep. Sometimes you gotta get your palms a little dirty. You know what I mean, pandas? You gotta hold on to those trades on real tight. Golly, this is blasting off. What is going on? I got no entries. Right, the fact that it couldn't push down, you saw the reversal being very strong. I mean, big down, big up. What are we doing here right now, pandas? What are we actually doing here right now? That's insane. Double top, triple top. Do I look for a reversal or a continuation? Let's go up. Let's look for a long trade. I could get chopped up here because this could be turned into a trading range. Bad signal bar for me. Going with one contract. This one's for Artemis. We're going for Artemis. We're going for Artemis here. Shooting for the stars. Come on, Artemis. I know you can do it. Risk is small. Again, taking these small risk trades for a potential big move, I think is worth. I mean, that's dirty, right? It didn't even make a new low here. After the strong push down, looking for a new low, didn't get it. If in fact, instead it makes a new high. It's absolutely insane. This could turn to a trading range now. Strong bull bar, but it could turn to a trading range. Who knows? Maybe second entry long instead of the first entry. All right, instead of the failed second entry short, it's going to be second entry long here. All good. We take the hit. We take those, pandas. We take those on the chin. We take those on the chin. I think I'm going to come out at 500 next time because obviously this is a scalper's market right now. It did not allow me to swing. Right? The market did not allow me to swing, so I'm going to come out at once I make 500 profit on this trade because the market is not allowing me to swing on these trades. You know what I mean, pandas? The market is not allowing me to swing, so I'm going to scalp. I'm scalping here. I don't know how strong this is going to push. This could push strong here. Could turn to a trading range. Could turn to a trading range here. We hold. It's a scalper's market, so I'm coming out at 500 once I make 500. It's a scalper's market, so I'm coming out at 500. Just keep playing games with me all day today. Keep playing games with me all day today. Is that what's going to do? Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. Can we get some follow through one time? One time follow through on the 5-minute chart. One time. Again. Keeps playing games with me. It does not push on the higher lows. It is not pushing on the higher lows. This market's actually chopped. Like, it keeps taking me out. Break even, pandas. Whoo! How many times is that? How many times is that taking me out break even? That's like 7 times in a row. Taking me out break even on every trade. 7 times in a row. Now it pushes up. Pandas, like, it's chopped. This market's chopped. What can I do? This market's chopped. It's a limit order market. Every time it makes a new high, it reverses quite strongly, at least for a scalp. It reverses at least for a scalp here. The bears are looking for 10-point scalps to the downside. Every time it makes a new high. This is why I cannot scale in. This is why I keep taking out break even, because the bears keep scalping this out. 10 points, 13 points. Now it's lifting off without me. What can I do about it? Pandas, what can I do about it? Like, I tried. I was in this trade. I tried, and it took me out break even. I was in a position. It took me out break even. What can I do? It is what it is, pandas. And even if I didn't scale in, guess what? It would take me out break even right here. My original position. So what can I do, pandas? Absolutely nothing on a day like today. It's filthy. Filthy, pandas. I'm telling you, this is a filthy day. Look at this price action. It's going up, but look at how choppy it is, pandas. Look at how disgustingly choppy it is. It's filthy. It's filthy. I'm just going to scalp to new highs now. Because every time I make new highs, we retrace. So once I make a new high, I'm just scalping out. I don't care. Even if it's $100, I'm just scalping out to new highs. Okay, now we're breaking down. Going one contract, strong bear bars. And the bullishness looks kind of weak because it could not break out. Now this is a bull bar. We're going to try one time here. Ooh, maybe a little too early. Okay, good. I don't mind that. It's gonna reverse. I don't care. I can reverse here as long as it doesn't enter me in the trade first. There we go. Okay, we sit on our pause a little bit. We sit on our pause a little bit here. It's so chopped. Every time I try to scale it, it took me out break even. All the way up here and has this big push down. All the way up here and has this big push down. So the market is showing some indecisiveness here. It's very frustrating. It's very frustrating. I think it's a scalper's market today. Like obviously, you know, I got in this trade. It took me out break even. I got in this trade and scaled up. And scaled up one more time for the 25 points. And then it took me out break even. Pushed here, took me out break even. Went short here, I lost that trade. Went long here, took me out break even. So like, how many break even? That's 1, 2, 3, 4 break even so far. Panda's like, what can I do about it? There's nothing much I can do. This is so ridiculous, so dirty. This market's so filthy right now. All right, we're in this trade. Whatever, we'll try. Second entry long, still think it's an uptrend here. Okay, if we lose, we lose. Move on, next trade. We lose, we lose. Okay, looks like we lose. Big time. All good, pandas. Moving on. It was an outside bar reversal. I took the second entry long, I tried. It happened to trigger with the outside bar reversal. I usually don't like taking that trade, but today I did. Filthy. Filthy, filthy, filthy. I thought we were going to get some good movement today, and it ends up just being absolute just garbage. Complete limit order trading here. I guess that's a dumb trade, whatever. The risk also was bigger than usual, 14 points. Unusually big here. Okay. The move was to take the second entry long underneath the 20 EMA, which is just wild. I'm not doing that. No way I'm entering that, so it's all good. Bit of bar. Sitting on my pause. I don't want to get tilted here. Don't want to get tilted here. We're just hanging out. I'm going to wait for the price action to loosen up a little bit because even though it's going up, look at this. Look at how choppy this is. This is Chop Fest 3000 and a big push to the downside here. Like what? And then Chop Fest again. Chop Fest again, Chop Fest again. It's just, it's pretty diabolical. So we're just sitting on our pause. I'm going to wait till it stops. I'm going to wait till every bar stops overlapping because every bar is overlapping right now. And I just can't handle it. I can't trade like this. I can't trade like this. Simply cannot trade like this. Higher or low here. But every bar is still overlapping. I need some sign that from the market that we're going to stop completely overlapping each other every single bar. I need a little bit of loosening. I need the market to loosen up a little bit. It's on edge right now. I need to loosen up a little bit. I need the market to know where it wants to go. So I know where to go. Market doesn't know where to go yet. Make sure you remove that max loss program. I like it. I like the fact that I have a safeguard against myself and my own craziness. Because if I wanted to, I could lose like $5,000 one day if it was up to me. It truly could. So it prevents me from like the worst case scenario. You know what I mean? All right, as the market is chopping around, let me say good morning to a couple of you guys. Sorry about that. I'm down 500, 600-ish. It's fine. No problem. No problem. We'll make it up. Sweat Row, good morning. Ashraf, good morning. YL, good morning. Slow Pokey, good morning. Sherman, welcome. Bull Bear, welcome. It's NQ. Turtle Toes answered that question. Appreciate it. Good morning, Turtle Toes. Luis, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Speedy Boy, welcome back. It's been a while. I feel like I haven't seen you in a while. Heisenberg, good morning. Lululala. I thought second entry is the king. You don't even need to worry after putting in trades. No, that's not true. I made a lot of money with second entries, but that is not true. Artemis landed back on Earth. Did it come back already? I didn't even realize. I thought it was still like on the moon. Marcos asks, for your initial stop loss, are you placing at the low of the bar you entered on or the low of the previous bar? I'm putting at the pivot low, which is the lowest point before you enter the trade. So, for instance, trying to figure out sometimes. Okay, for instance, here. Let's say I went long here. I'm not putting my stop loss right here, but the lowest point before, like in this pivot. So this is not the lowest point. Let's just say the previous pivot is where I'm putting my stop loss. The previous pivot. It's not the previous bar. It's not the signal bar. Oftentimes it is the signal bar. Right? This is the signal bar. Oftentimes it is a signal bar, but sometimes it's not. It's the pivot. Artemis legit or fake? I didn't think I would have to even question that. But there has been some things that people have released that make it seem a little bit sus. You know what I mean? There was like a green screen. Like for some reason they were green screening on Artemis, and this one time someone like dropped the ball and it fell. Which, like, why would it fall? Ooh, OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. This could lead to a push to the downside. Okay. Are we reversing down? Second entry long on the 2500 tick, but it's so choppy. It's so disgusting. It's so dirty. This price action is so dirty right now. I just asked for like one good day once in my life. Please. I mean, we've just been in this channel forever though. Thoughts and prayers? Should I just go long here on this channel? It's such a strong channel. I was thinking maybe the higher low here, but we didn't actually trigger this first entry. So we can't get the higher low yet. Maybe I can buy with a limit order here. I don't know. Small risk on this trade. Pretty small risk on this trade. Just to go long here. Now the risk is growing, but your probability is growing as well. I'll try. I don't know. It's a stupid trade, but I'll try. Whatever. No way. Already. Um, higher or low here? Maybe looking for a new low. This is a pretty strong push down. Maybe looking for one more push to the downside. That also makes sense to me. Wow. Forget about it. 1 second. Forget about it. It's the second entry long on the higher time frame coming off the 20 MA. I mean, this looks like it wants one more leg to the downside, but we're also in trading range here, and we're at the bottom of it. This is, I guess it makes more sense to go long here. I don't know. Okay, makes a new low. That's all you really need in terms of. I could try. This could be a full blown reversal, double top here. Huh. Ooh, this is pretty bearish. Hello. All right. I'm not looking to go long now. I mean, that looks pretty bearish to me. A super strong bear bar ending on its low on the 2500 tick chart. The 5-minute OI pattern, works itself out for a 1-to-1. And that might be all you get. Yeah, it makes a 1-to-1 on that OI pattern here. Like, just perfect. Just perfectly. Golly. It's like the most perfect 1-to-1 met on the OI pattern here. Feels like entry long here. I don't know. Am I bearish right now? Am I just full blown bear? I don't know. Just had a massive uptrend. Oh, that's weird. That's really strange what just happened here. Market's still basically showing itself to be having lots of overlapping bars. Market's still showing itself to have lots of overlapping bars, and I'm just watching. I'm just watching. I had some calls on Netflix I put in like 2 weeks ago, like a month-long call. That's crazy. This is wild, Panda. I was like, I honestly don't know what to do with this. Second, you short? It's so choppy though. hate this. One thing about take profit is that they put these limits on like how many times you can move your like orders around, and it kind of super annoying. Really, really annoying. It's not that much. It's a pretty low limit. They limit like how many times you can move your orders, because on their side it looks like you're just canceling and creating new orders. This is crazy. This is too choppy. I thought we were gonna get some good price action because we had some good movement, but it's proving to be essentially pretty difficult. Look at this. This is not tradable. Currently not tradable price action in my opinion. Wow. Look how many overlapping bars there are. It's insane. It's actually insane. Oh, we're finally making a move. I'm fine as long as we move somewhere. All right. It's crazy, choppy still. What kind of gosh darn price action is this? This is some filthy price action right now. Untradeable, in my opinion, across all time frames. Actually filthy here. Actually filthy here. Wow. Cool. Guess we're gonna watch this trash unfold before our eyes. Sorry about this, man. There's not much you can do, though. You know what I mean? It is what it is. It's just it is what it is. What can you do about it? You know what I mean? It is what it is. 33% of you guys think the Artemis was fake. That's quite a lot, actually. That's quite a lot, actually. I'm surprised. I didn't realize like NASA and government agencies are so you know, not trustworthy. You know what I mean? This is wild. Got a wedge here. Ends up reversing off the wedge, but too much chop for me to make any like trade off this. Crazy price action. It's disgusting. It's absolutely filthy in my opinion. I don't know. This doesn't make me feel warm and fuzzy. Let me just say that. I'm guessing he wants to make a new high, but Could go sideways for a while. I don't have any setups right now. I mean, I could go short here, thinking the price action continue to be nasty. Could. Okay, higher or low. Higher or low, strong bull bar ending on its high. Doesn't mean much. Problem with this type of price action is that this could just be a bull leg in a trading range, which means that, you know, I want to go long here, but by the time it feels like, you know, it's bullish, it's already at the top of the trading range. So that's the issue. It's hard to go long when you're already at the top, the resistance. I don't know. Strong bull bar on a 5-minute chart. Does it get folded though? Could get folded in price action like today. It's on the 5-minute chart. It's a strong bull bar ending on its high. But look to the left, right? It did not break above any of these pivots. Gets folded. It's getting folded. Diabolical price action. When you get strong bull bars ending on their highs with no follow through, just like this, turn to this, just like this, turn to this. Right? These strong bull bars have no follow through. That's typically a bad sign. It means that you're gonna have some rocky waters ahead of you. Fail second entry short near the top of a trading range, so this can't take. But this could blast off. I mean, that's what you miss. You know, low probability trade, but the risk reward is great. Risk reward is great here. This could be the breakout, but to be able to time the breakout perfectly before it even breaks out, it's tough. That's like most people wait for a breakout first. Okay, a breakout to me would be two closes, two bull bars above here, consecutive bull bars. The fact that it went above it, right back beneath it, shows me limit orders are waiting here. And the limit orders are strong enough. Not only are limit orders there, but they're strong enough to push the market back down. So, kind of gives you a sense of who's in control here. Oh, I don't know. Looks like it's just bouncing at the top of the trading range. Could be wrong. Truly no idea. Just watching. I mean, looks like it might come back to the bottom of the trading range, especially with a push like that. Like I said, it's difficult. It's difficult because this looks bullish and you want to go in long. But a time that you feel like, okay, maybe it's a good time to go long, it's already too late, and you hit the top of resistance, and you're bouncing off of it now. Like I said, you're gonna have a tough time when you see price action with strong bull bars and no follow through. Strong bull bar, no follow. Strong bull bar, no follow through. It just means the market is turning to a limit order market, and it's gonna be choppy. Bull bar ending on time? Possibly. Possibly a breakout here. Eh? Eh? Oh. Eh? We're making the move? Is this it? Can't even give me two bull bars in a row. This is so stupid. Oh, am I spoke too soon? Two bull bars in a row. Okay, cool. Could be enough to look for a long. Okay. No pullbacks. Oh my gosh. I hate take profit. Is it take profit thing or a trade evade thing? They put a limit on how many orders you can put in. It's so freaking annoying. It is, and it messes me up all the time. It's actually so annoying that they have that. It's so incredibly frustrating, can I tell you? Well, I guess I'm not trying to take profit anymore. For now. Looking for first entry. Let's see if something happens here. Makes a new high. More shenanigans. Okay. No follow through. It gives me a bear bar here. Okay. Looks like it's breaking out. Possibly squeezing. No follow through on the strong bull bar, of course. Limit orders met for every new high. It's incredible. And like I know that. I should just be scalping here. But I'm shooting for the stars. We're gonna hold here. We're gonna let it pull back if it has to. I thought today was gonna be a good day, but not really. I thought today was gonna be a good day, but not really. I mean, even if I let this cook, how much do I let it cook? Even if I let this cook, how much do I let it cook? It's 3 strong bear bars in a row. Even if I let this cook, how much do I let it cook? Cool. I mean, whatever. Trying to do something. You're trying to make something out of nothing, which is the issue, maybe. We lost. I mean, do I let it cook a little bit? Whatever. We'll take the hit. Move on. We just lose here. If it reverses back down, we lose here and probably call it a day. What can you do about it? We tried. We absolutely tried here our best. What can you do? Holding too much risk here. I want this candle finish. Hold. 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 I have no reason to let this trade go. We're getting massive bull bars in a row with no pullbacks. I have no reason to let this trade go. We're going to hold, pandas. Holding. Hold. First pullback, hopefully it'll be small. Or no pullbacks. Hopefully this doesn't reverse all the way down. If it does, then that's just the name of the game today, yeah? Isn't that right, pandas? Isn't that just the name of the game? If this reverses all the way back down, it takes me out break even. If it does, it is what it is. If it reverses here all the way back down, then that's just what the market's giving me today, and I cannot do much about it. Hold! Getting a little sus, right? Cannot keep above the previous candle's high. We finally break a previous candle's low. And if it comes all the way down to take me out break even, there's not much I can do about it, pandas. It's just the name of the game today. And we'll take the hit. It's not even a hit. You know, it's... break even, so whatever. Scaling in one more time here. Looking to hit the target one time. Hold! Can't reach. Can't break a previous candle's high. Okay, can't break a previous candle's high. Having issues here. Impotent market. It's an impotent market. Very impotent. Yikes. Can I move all my stuff up? One time. Strong bull bar ending on its high. No reason to let go. Strong bull bar ending on its high. No reason to get out of the trade yet. Still no reason to get out of the trade. There's still no reason to get out of the trade. We got a bull bar ending on its high. There's no reason to get out of this trade yet. I know you're scared, pandas, but just hold. Hold! It's breaking the previous. This could be it. I know you're scared, pandas, but just hold. You gotta just hold through this nonsense. You gotta hold. Do not take profit too early here. Do not take profit too early here. Do not take profit too early here, pandas. Still clearly above the 20 MA. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Unless this bull bar gets completely folded again. Can we get one push? One continuation. A strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. It is very likely to happen. We hold. Can't seem to break a previous candle's high. And this might be the end of our trade here, unfortunately. This might be the end of our trade here, unfortunately. Super unfortunate. The 5-minute gets folded. I mean, hand is like, I gotta hold. When I see a strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart, I'm holding. And strong bull bars on the 500 tick. If I see strong bull bars across all time frames, I gotta hold, and I gotta see if we get follow through. It's like the only reasonable thing to do. You know what I mean, pandas? And it doesn't make sense for me to get out of my trade when I have this much strength. You know what I mean? It doesn't make sense for me to get out of my trade. We're going for a higher low here. One more time. It doesn't make sense for me to get out of my trade when I see so much bullishness everywhere. And yeah, it just doesn't make sense. So I'm going to keep doing what makes sense to me. And if I don't get out here, if I don't make some bamboo here, it is what it is. I got to do what makes sense to me, pandas. Hope you guys can respect that. One time. Hopefully you guys can respect that. One time. Let's make a new high one time here. Having a hard time pushing up. I wish it was a stronger bull bar than that. I wish we could race to the top. But looks like I may get stopped out here. Let's see. I don't want to see a reversal. Gosh darn it. I don't want to see a reversal here. It is what it is, pandas. I'm fine. I'll take a small profit here. I mean, I was shooting to get a new high on the higher low, but the market is just not giving me anything here. It's just not giving me what I need. It's not pushing up when it should push up. I'm green for the day, but pandas, how annoying is that? How frustrating is that, pandas? Like, it just, on the strong bull bar ending on its high, it just keeps getting folded. Super frustrating here. And I'm going to find myself going long again. Whatever. It's so frustrating, pandas. Like, I had a $2,000 trade. in the bag. And now it's doing this. Like, it takes me out perfectly, break even. What can I do, pandas? What can I do about it, you know? Like, it's super frustrating. Oh, every day it's like this, pandas. Like, every single day is like this. And I'm just not catching a break here. I'm not catching one single break here. Super. Now we get the move, the pop up after it stops me out break even. Super frustrating. It's so frustrating, pandas. I'm out here. Whatever. If it pushes up here, I'm out. I'm not taking any reversals. I'm not taking anything here. This is so stupid. Pandas, like, how frustrating is that? I was up like over $2,000 on that trade, and it takes me out break. It basically takes not break even. I salvaged a little, but Pandas is super frustrating. What can I do about it? It is what it is. That's the type of market we have today. Like, we're just not getting follow through, at least immediate follow through after strong bull bars ending on their highs, and there's not much I can do about it. If it happens to pull back that deep, then there's not much I can do. You know, like if it's breaking out, but if it's like, you know, if it's not breaking out, it's not breaking out. What can I do? And it's super frustrating on days like today. Very frustrating. I mean, I made 1,000, which is fine. I'm happy about that. Right? I'm happy with 5,000. I'm happy with 500. It's a good old trade. It's not bad. It does the job. Puts me back to green today. But I could have been up like maybe $2,000 today, and it's unfortunate. I can't even move my stop loss now to break even. It's not allowing me. Look at this. Look at this nonsense, pandas. Like, now I lost money on that trade. Look at that nonsense, pandas. I can't even move my. Ninja Trader's so slow. It's just now I'm like tilted out of my mind. Oh! Every day, pandas! Look at this! Why are we so choppy? Why does it look like this every day, pandas? Goodness gracious! It's not happening today. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done for today. It's not happening. It's not it. Pandas, this is not it. Just look at this. Look at this! Why? Every single day do I get this absolute trash price action? Every single day, pandas. My goodness. I had $2,000, and it takes me out break even to the freaking T, to the tick, and then blasts off. Every day it does that. Every single day. We can't even get in this market because the swings are so small. Oh my gosh, pandas. I just can't even. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done every single day, pandas. Every freaking day. I see this disgusting price action. Always pulls. What? Like, why? 5-minute chart bull bar ending on its high, and it has to retrace all the way down to right here. Why? Every single time. Why? Why can't we just get clean follow through after a strong bull bar ending on its high? One time, man. One time. I'm done with this market. I'm done. I'm done. I'm down 112. I don't even care. I'm down 112. I don't even care because of how frustrating this day is. So freaking frustrating. Oh my gosh. Every single bar. Retracement after retracement after Big bull bar ending on its high, retraces. Big bull bar ending on its high, retraces. Big bull bar ending on its high, retraces. Every single bar, pandas. No clean follow through. Where is my always in long traders? Why are they not here? Whew! Can't, pandas. I was up $2,000. I was up $2,000 at a $2,000 trade in the bag. And it turned to freaking just $1,000. Whoo! My goodness. Pandas. I just knew it was about time until this starts to reverse a little bit because this push is so weak. It's actually such a weak push. Pandas, I can't even. Pandas, where's my day? Where is the day where I can actually get follow through on massive bull bars? Where is the day? Why haven't I seen this type of day for basically all last week and coming into this week? I haven't seen one day where I can just add on to my position and it will actually just have follow through. You know, how many times do I see markets all first entries and you can't even get in? This has so many second entries, third entries, fourth. What is this? How many times have I seen markets go up first entries when I wait for a second entry and it does never give me a second entry? It just never gives me a second entry. Where are those markets? Why can I actually be in those markets when it's there? Second entry long again. That's a deeper tracer. I'm not going long here. I don't even care. I don't care. This can do whatever it wants now. I don't even care. This is so frustrating. I had no reason to exit that trade. Right, two strong bull bars. I was thinking about maybe taking profits here, but I'm like, well, two strong bull bars and the 5-minute ended on its high. And then it does this stupid. Whoo! Untradeable. Again, untradeable, pandas. This is just untradeable. Gives me second entry long. It does make a new high, but look at these swings. We're talking about like 10 points, pandas. Talking about 10 points here right now. My goodness. I should have scalped. Out. I have no one to blame but myself. I knew it was a scalper's market, and I should have scalped out. Instead, I tried to swing for one more swing, pandas. That's all I wanted. One more swing right here just to make a new high. And it punished me by breaking this pivot low where my stop loss was. And it freaking blasted off after that. Pandas, it is what it is. Golly. Whoo! Where's my day, pandas? Where's my day? Where's my day? Where's my day where it makes sense? Where actually trading makes sense? Strong bull bar follow through. Where are those days, pandas? Even this massive bull trend, it's like untradeable because it's so choppy. Inside this trend, it's so incredibly choppy. What in the world? I'm done. I should just close the charts down. I mean, I think this market's going to get chopped here. It's so frustrating, pandas. Where's my day? Where's my day, pandas? Where's my day? I've been waiting for my day. And where is it? Every single day, it's just absolute chop. Absolute booty trash price action. My goodness. Yeah, of course it's going to have a deep retracement. Because this uptrend is so weak. So choppy. My goodness. Can you even go short here? I'm about to go short here because of how dirty this price action was. I'm actually going to go short here because I know how absolutely diabolical this whole thing was here. What it did to me right there, it's just diabolical. Like this is running out of steam. I'm going short here. I don't care. I'm going short here. I don't care. Strongest bull trend day ever, but it is diabolical. So I'm just going short here. Ooh, I don't like it when it does that actually. Yeah, because of that. Right, it shows immediate trading range. It shows immediate. It shows you limit orders are waiting here by bouncing off like that. I actually don't like that when I enter these traps. Yeah, I'm gonna stop that here. I mean, why am I going short on this like incredible uptrend? I should never be going short here. I'm just so frustrated. I'm just like anything that goes opposite of what I've been doing, I want to take now. Like anything that's been opposite, I've been trying to go long. Like now, like because of how frustrating it was, I want to go short. How frustrating the entire move up was, pandas. Every single scale in gets stopped out break even, like all day today. All day today it's been happening. We're not getting any strong push here. I gotta let it cook. And I may have to eat one retracement here. I'm gonna have to eat one retracement here, unfortunately. I may have to eat one retracement here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to eat this. All good. If I take it, if I get hit, I get hit. I mean, I gotta eat one retracement. I gotta hold my stop loss at least for one of these trades here. Like I keep coming out break even, so like I actually have very little risk on all my trades. So I gotta at least get stopped out one time. Like I gotta get stopped. It's okay to get stopped out on your trades. Like I've been coming out break even. Like basically, I get mad because I try to come out break even on like a trade like this one. I get mad because it takes me out break even because I'm scared that this is gonna happen. But I drastically lessen my probability of the trade if I come out break even or I take my risk off. Like I lose this trade, right? Like 9 out of 10 times. I mean, if you push down again, whatever. Okay, that's what I thought. Yeah, I mean, I just ate that stop loss because I'm like tired of coming out break even. So I'm gonna just get stopped out instead and see if that works. Just get stopped out instead, so I can actually enjoy you know possible move to like some follow through. Jeez. Yeah, I mean you gotta eat that stop loss. Gotta eat that stop loss. Do I want to go short again here? Yeah. I might as well wait for a second inch short if I'm gonna go short again. Pandas day after day after day after day after day. That's why I'm down That's why my freaking account is now is at 2,643 because every single day, these. Maybe that's a sign. Maybe it's a sign I should stop doing that. That's a sign. If I'm losing every single trade like that or coming up break even, I should stop doing it. And the moment I stop doing it, it's gonna give me the best day in the world. Like tomorrow, it's gonna be a beautiful day. It's gonna be explosion after explosion after explosion, and I'm gonna be too scared to trade how I typically trade. Golly, pandas, this is ridiculous. Where's my day, pandas? Where's my day? I'm not even saying where's my day. I'm saying where's a day that makes sense? When you get a strong bull bar and has follow through. Why is there never follow through on a strong bull bar? It's just not happening, pandas. It's just not happening. Where is it? There is no clean follow throughs. Every single bar has a wick. Every single bar has retracement. 0 breakouts today. The only breakout bar we've had today is actually the first bar. And that didn't even have follow through. All right, takes me out, then it goes down the way I thought it was gonna go. Typical. Typical. Right, I thought I was gonna keep going down, but look, I take my stop loss out. See the one trade I don't come out break even, it takes my stop loss out and then goes where I want to go. So I lose no matter what. I lose either I come out break even and it will go down the way I want it to go, or it takes my stop loss out and goes down the way I want it to go. Either way, I'll lose. No matter what, I'll lose. That's just what today is about. Golly, my gosh, I hate days like today. I mean, I'm going short here or whatever. If you're not gonna let me get in, I'm just gonna go in myself. I'm gonna force it. Three bear bars in a row. It's not gonna give me a second to short. It's gonna go low. It's gonna go short here. If you're not gonna give me my setup, I'm just gonna have to go. I don't want to miss. Okay. Just a scalp out here or whatever. What is this? Look at this. Limit orders all waiting here. Do I even want to go short here? I see so many limit orders. The previous candle's lows. Do I even want to go short here is the question. Second just short. What in the world is happening? Okay, whatever. I don't know. Let it just do its thing. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this market's chopped. It's chopped now. Whew, down 480, but feels like I lost $1 million. I'm down 480, but feels like I lost $1 million. I was up like what $2,000 on that trade, and just could not have any follow through. Like, why? Look at this, 2 bull bars. Why would I ever get out of this trade? And I go one more time. Why can't we make a new high? Instead, it does this stupid bear bar ending on its low. What? Oh my gosh. What? Whatever, man, whatever. I don't care. Whatever, I don't care anymore. I already lost it today. I'm done. This day is chopped. This day is tossed up to nothing. Trading or basically, I mean I'm down 480 whatever, but I'm just mentally I'm gone. No more mental capital here. Not only that, the market's starting to show itself to be choppy and just absolutely just useless. Every bar overlapping. Look at this. It's still choppy. All the way up choppy. Choppy, 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 choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. All day it's been choppy. I think that's the worst. When it has a direction, but it's choppy. Because it always makes you wonder, is it going to reverse? And it doesn't allow you to do any swing trading. Pandas, like... so frustrating. Scale in here, high or low, it takes me out break even, and I even lose on that trade because the trade is absolute trash. Oh my gosh, man, this is untradeable. Strong bull bar ending on time. No follow through. We're in trading range. I think I'm done for today. I don't think this is just. It's just not my cup of tea. Not my cup of tea. What can I say? Not my cup of tea. Whew. Painful. Painful day. Up 2,000 some dollars on a trade and just market just has zero follow through. I'm just so dumb. So dumb. So stupid, man. I got no one to blame but myself. I jipped myself on this trade. I protected myself coming out the previous pivot low, thinking if it does break beneath here, most likely it will take me out break even. I think my break even was like somewhere down here. I actually would have been so kind of safe in that trade. Got no one to blame but myself. I moved my stop loss to a place where I shouldn't have moved it. And I was scared because I was like, I want to salvage some money. I ended up making $1,000, but gave up like $3,000 trade. I had a $3,000 trade right there actually. So 6 contracts in, I would have gone long again here as well. Son, it's amazing. It's amazing what the market can do. It's so choppy. The thing is, like, I knew it was choppy, so I don't even know why I'm like thinking something different's gonna happen. I keep thinking like, okay, it's gonna break out. This is the one. This is the move. But it's actually just doing what it's been doing. And so why am I surprised or why am I frustrated? If anything, I should be frustrated myself for trading in a way that doesn't match the current market cycle. Yeah, look at my trade that I was in at 10:26, around there, 10:24. You rewind it there, I was up like $2,000 almost. I think I was up $2,000 actually on that trade. Feels like I'm just short. I mean, it works out for some reason. I don't know. I'm not taking that trade though. Close to the top of the trading range. I mean, should I just treat this like a trading range now? Let's go short at the top. Let's go short here. I don't care. Treat this like a trading range. Go short somewhere, you know, on the upper third. Maybe scale in once here. Like this. One scale in. 10 points above. I mean, this sort of scares me. That sort of scares me. Got my massive bull bars. But hopefully on a day like today, we don't know follow through on massive bull bars. It's the exact opposite on days like today, hopefully. We'll see.
Target filled.
Come on, break even, whatever. I came out break even one contract because I couldn't move fast enough.
Target filled.
Let's break even on the trade. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing anymore, Panis. Big, right, up, big down, big up. I don't know. This is such a stupid trade. It's just a stupid market. Oh, man. I'm sorry. It's just... This actually ended up pushing down at the top of this trading range, which I guess I had a trade actually. Possibly here. I hit that perfectly at the top. Doesn't give me 20 points though. I'll probably wait for 20 points at least. Probably try to hit the middle of the trading range. I'll still be in this trade. Incredible. It says chopped. Where can you enter now? I do not know. Just watching. Like, I feel like it's run its course. Lower high. Could be an okay trade here, but I'm just not interested in like anything in this market, to be honest. Feels like I just short. Might as well try. Maybe last trade of the stream here. Give me fail second entry long and I'll try. Let's get to the bottom trading range. Question is, will you even get this set up? Market moves without me. Right? It's gonna make the move without me. It's so choppy today. I feel like it's gonna reverse. It's a choppy day. Like I'm not surprised if it reverses here. Goodness gracious, pandas. Sorry about earlier. I might have lost my temper just a little bit. But it's just so frustrating. I mean, at the end, I have no one to blame but myself. I should have recognized, this is a scalper's market, not a swinger's market. I should have scalped out, but I held my trade for one more swing up, and I paid the price because I was not abiding by the current market cycle. This goes to show that market cycle is like 90% of what you should be looking at. I'll try one with the outside bar. 2 if it's a regular. Feels like too long. Right, that's a trade you want to be in. Those who got stuck here by one tick, those people got trapped here, you want to trade against them. Literally, they got stuck. That's like what I would have been. That's me right there. How many times have I been in that situation? Too many times. Too many times. But, of course, since I'm not in that trade, you get out break even. If I lose this, I lose, and I don't think I'm done. I'm gonna end the stream if I lose this trade. We're gonna have one at the bottom of the trading range, and then one runner. See if we get something nice. Pushing. Doesn't close beneath this pivot low, which is an issue for me. Right? We can't close beneath this pivot low. That's a problem. That means it's a failed breakout. That means there are limit orders here waiting strong enough to push it back up. It could be an issue. That's not a good sign. If I can't close beneath the pivot low, that's usually a bad sign. Hence, gonna get burned here. Right, the price action tells us everything. It's okay. I mean, I lose here and I'll end it just because price action is diabolical and there's no reason for me to keep trading on a day like today. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Just hold because I don't care if I lose. Hold. Hold. Eat some drawdown here. Should I eat some drawdown? I'm just going to hold it. Let's just see what the market gives us today. You know what? I paid the price too many times, right? I should just scalp out. I should just scalp out. I should just scalp out. I should just be scalping out. I'll take out on the first reversal back up. Strawberry bar ending on its low. Give me 1,000, I'll take it. Give me 1,000, I'll take it. One time. One time.
Target filled.
Okay, it didn't give it to me. Best trade I've had all day. I'm not gonna even scream. I'm not gonna do anything, pandas. I'm not gonna yell. I'm not gonna do anything. Just gonna do this. Whoo! All right, I take my 1,000. I'm happy with my $1,000 trade. I think this was long awaited for because of how terrible this move up was. This was bound to happen. This was just bound to happen. 2,500 tick chart also marked the trading range. We basically double topped at the top of the trading range here. 5-minute chart. No trading range on the 5-minute chart, but 20 EMA maybe want to be tested here. 2 bear bars, any near lows. Looking for some follow through to the 20 EMA. Let's see if we get to it. Golly, pandas. I tried to get in short again, but it didn't allow me to, so it is what it is. I've had my order up, but sliced right through it. Ah, goodness gracious, man. Finally got one decent trade today. Yeah? Isn't that nice? Isn't that wonderful? One decent trade today. Can we get another decent trade today? Can I get followed through here? Let's go short here. First entry, but 2 big bull bars ending on their highs. Do I really want to just go short against that? No, let's wait for my second entry short. Whoo! And this. Okay, second to short. We're actually getting a second to short here. It's an undershoot. Might lead to an overshoot, so it can reverse. So this is dangerous. It's not straightforward, as you might think. It doesn't trigger the second pullback, so we don't get the second entry short. It's only first entry. All good. I'm not taking the trade regardless, so just watching. Okay. Too leggy. Get to my 20 EMA and my trend line. I'm interested. I need a better signal bar than this. This is too ugly. Strong bull bar ending on its high. It's an ugly signal bar. I think this warrants one more leg down. This push down was so strong. I think it needs one more leg down. It's also a breakout retest of the trading range. We'll try here. I really don't want to take it on this signal bar. It's a bit better. I'll take it on that one. So I got you short, coming off the trend line, 20 EMA, a downtrend on a breakdown. It is a downtrend as well, but okay. Not sure. We'll try one time. Look for a new low. I like it. This candle's a little bit bearish. Ooh, that's exactly what I want to see. We'll just take the hit, I guess, if we lose. Fails to short, back up into the trading range. Good signal bar. I like this candle to finish, but it's going to blast off here. That would be a shame. Blast it off here. It is what it is now, whatever. I'll hold a little bit. What is that? Why does it have to do it like that? Why does it do me dirty like that? Why does it have to do me dirty like that, pandas? Ouch. Why does it have to do me dirty like that? It gives me a good signal bar to go short. And it does like a fail second entry short. Outside bar reversal. And these typically do not do well. Oh, wow. It ticks me out. Cool, I guess. Fun stuff. Great price action. Exactly what I was looking for. The second just short. We just never get him. We got it today. I mean, I'll try one more time, whatever. I'll try one more time here. That trap fails, essentially. Trap fails. We'll see if we can take advantage of the trap failing here. And this will be my last trade, probably. I mean, we're still green somehow. But this could be my last trade. For the obvious test of the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart is what I'm looking for. But the price action is diabolical right now. I don't know what to do with it. This move down is strong enough to warrant one more push to the downside. So we're going to look for it here. We basically had we also had the undershoot leading to the overshoot. And maybe that symmetry is enough now that we can actually make a move here. Let's see. Okay. We triggered a trade. And that could be the dumbest trade of all time. Possibly. I mean, I lose, I lose. If I lose, I lose. I don't mind losing on some high probability trades here, but golly, this is choppy. This is very choppy. Choppy, if you ask me. Very choppy. Probably will stop me out and probably push down again. All good. I counted the costs and I thought it was worth. Right, it's a strong bear bar ending near its low. I thought, failed trap. Possibly get some movement down to the downside. Okay, we get hit. Cool. I mean, that's just the name of the game today, yeah. Failed trap. Thought this would warrant one more leg to the downside. Now we're above the 20 MA, so you can't go short anymore. But I just tried 2 attempts to go short, and now we're getting now we're in pain. I guess the uptrend's not done. What can you do about it? It is what it is. Yeah, that's the market for you. It's the type of market we have today. Again, right? Just like every other day, just being diabolical. So what can you do? It is what it is. I mean, second just short, good signal bar. You gotta try, right? Especially breakdown retest of the trading range, the bottom of the trading range. I'm trying that, right? Coming off the 20 MA as well, and pretty much a trend line. So I don't mind losing that trade. It's just unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Very unfortunate there. And also had clear target, 240 SMA and the 5-minute 20 EMA right beneath, thinking we may come back to test it. We may not, but that would be my target if we did push down. Like if we broke this low, I would have be aiming for that. It's an impossible uptrend to go, right? Like if you went long here, it's almost an impossible trend to go to the long side. Super choppy. I'm looking for one more chance to possibly push to the downside. That's what I'm looking for right now. And if we don't get it, then it is what it is. If we break this high, I think I'm going to stop trying. Because I have no idea when it's going to happen. See, we're above the 20 MA, so I can't go short here. It's a small pullback bull trend. I guess it's just gonna go back up to the top of the trading range. In such a way that I just cannot partake. Yeah, bull bars ending under highs. I don't know, but every single break of a previous pivot high, it just reverses down. So also very choppy. I don't know. Getting demoralized here from the price action has been so terrible. So demoralized. Been waiting a long time for a good day and we're just not ever getting it. Really not getting a good day here. Like we just did something just diabolical. Doing an expanding pattern now on the 5-minute chart. That's what's happening on the 5-minute. Bull bar ending on its high. We're hitting the top of the trading range now. So the fact that this failed has ended up pushing all the way back up to the top of the trading range, which fair enough. Fair enough. I don't mind losing good trades. I feel like this was fine. This was probably a little more risky, but I feel fine losing those trades. It's just unfortunate that this market looks like this. Right, we broke the high. We truly broke the high. I don't know what that means. We're breaking out now? Breaking back out without testing the 20 MA? Sure. Again, this expanding pattern is continuing. This thing about expanding patterns, like, it looks so strong, but then it's expanding. So you don't know if you're at a resistance or if you're breaking out. Expanding patterns are diabolical. Woo! And again, it's annoying because we get strong pushes and then no follow through. Right? We actually break out of this trading range. You get no follow through though, even with the breakout. It's just very frustrating. Cool. Do I go long? Would you go long here? Expanding pattern. 15-minute chart. And this could be bullish. Higher. What am I looking at here? Second entry long. It's floating mid there, though. Potential at a resistance, so let it go. Three strong bull bars on the 5-minute chart. Oh, interesting. Okay. It's gonna go out to oblivion. This is gonna be Artemis 3. This market's gonna be Artemis 3 right now. Bull bar ending on its high. Artemis 3 launching. Golly. Second entry long just works out beautifully. Floating in midair is a terrible setup, but it works. Good setup, fails. Cool. Whatever. I mean, if we're gonna be Artemis 3, I should be looking for a reversal, no? Like, isn't that what I should be looking for here? Reversal of some sort. Like, you know this is gonna get choppy. It's gonna be choppy out of its mind. What am I thinking? I'm trading out of pure emotion right now. I hate it. I gotta close the charts. Bull bar ending on its high. 2 bull bars ending on its high. Incredible. It's actual follow through there. Amazing. Actual follow through now. When no one needs it, there's actual follow through. Like, do I wait till it touches the 20 EMA? Like, I just watch this blast off and miss the whole move. I know when I enter, I'm gonna enter in the high. I'm gonna go long at the high of this move. I have an amazing ability to do such things. I'll just say, if you're watching the stream, fade whatever next trade I'm gonna do. Just fade it. Do the opposite. Golly, seriously. I'll just watch this go and just miss everything. It's fine. Nothing. I'm not really missing much because this market's absolute trash. Expanding pattern in the middle of this uptrend. How frustrating is that? Just creates an expanding pattern right in the middle of the uptrend. It's so frustrating. Just why? Why would you create an expanding pattern right in the middle? So frustrating. It's a small pullback bull trend. You never go short in this situation. And it looks like a breakout in the higher time frames. Okay. It's incredible. Incredibly dumb. Incredibly dumb day to trade. All breakouts are failing. Okay, first entry works out beautifully. Out of nowhere. Doesn't touch the 20 MA, so I wanted to go long, but I can't. Didn't touch the 20 MA. I wanted to go long, but I couldn't. Didn't touch the 20 MA, so no opportunities to go long here. 2,500 tick charts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 out of the last 9 bars been bull bars. Pretty strong ones too. I wanted to go long, but I couldn't because I touched the 20 MA. Higher low here. Outside bar reversal. I mean, I hate the trade, but that's all you give me. Beggars can't be choosers, right? Beggars can't be choosers. That's all you give me. Beggars can't be choosers. I guess beggars could be choosers. Not sure what I'm trying to do. I wanted to go long, but it doesn't touch a 20 MA one time. It's very choppy, actually. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Higher low, 10 basically fails. This market's trash. Like, I'm not trying to go long right here after seeing 3 bear bars ending like in a row, ending near their lows, and the 20 EMA being right there. I'm not trying to go. I'm not trying to go long right there, but apparently the market does, and it's absolutely insane. It's insane to me. It's actually insane to me. Daily chart is looking like a rocket ship. Whoa, we actually touched a 20 MA here. Did I just go long off of it? First tap off of it, just go long. Nah, I look for a reversal off of it. Any reversal off the 20 MA I'll take. Golly. Absolutely filthy. You wish you could insert memes? Actually, that'd be cool. I think they should allow that in chats. The problem is, like, how would you, like, regulate that? Because they could, like, put anything in there then. Oi. All right. I mean, I mean, sure. First entry. Aiming for a new high, I guess. I'll look for a second entry long, I guess. I don't know. Second entry long is my best bet. Bull Barney on time, makes a new high, doesn't give me a second entry long, doesn't give me any entries, just watching this. And by the time you get an entry, you just can't even get in because it's so late in trend. It's just so late in trend. Just like, why am I even trying to go long with this late in trend? People are gonna take profits sometime soon. I think I'm gonna end it here because this is just not tradable, in my opinion. Very not tradable, in my opinion. Doesn't touch a 20 May. Doesn't give you second entry long. So you're just kind of like sitting around doing nothing, and you can't go long, or you can't get in this because it's so late in trend. You're gonna basically get hit. Right? You have no one to blame but yourself if you go long here and you lose a trade because it's so late in trend. What are you gonna do? Don't come off any supports, so it's not like it's necessarily a good long to take. Maybe this would get back to the 20 EMA. Maybe. Maybe this is the one that would touch the 20 EMA. Maybe, pandas. Maybe. And is this so late in trend we can't go long anymore? You rely on home runs too much? I rely on home runs on days where I shouldn't be going for home runs. You should look for home runs on days that have strong breakouts, but today was not the day. And it was very obvious it was not a strong breakout day today. Like, it doesn't touch the 20 EMA. Higher high, higher low, and it's disgusting. So no entries here. Yet it keeps going up. Yet people are buying with limit orders. The previous candle's lows. And the problem is now that I'm like staring at this market, like by the time I find some sort of setup, it's just not gonna it's probably not gonna do much. You know, I might get like a small scalp. At this point, you're just scalping. You're just like trying to pick up pennies. Okay, makes a new high. Again, doesn't touch a 20 MA. No second entry long, so no entries here. Just watching this grind up. Incredible move. Just watching and just watching. I'll be right back. cool. No entry is just blasting off. I feel like there's another moving average the traders are using. They must be using like a 10 moving average or something because they're finding some support somewhere. Like they must be using a smaller moving average on a day like today. That's what I feel like is happening. Um, I waited this long, so I'm not gonna do anything, but I might as well wait till it actually touches the 20 MA or gives me something to do, something to trade off of. See, this is what I was looking for, right? Every single high, right? You just make a new high every single time. This is what I was looking for way earlier. It's never came. It did like this nasty kind of like lower low. That's disgusting. And then it rips everyone's face off. It kind of tricked everybody, I feel like. It tricked me for sure. I thought we were going to test a 20 MA or something. Nonsense market calls for a nonsense trade. It kind of makes sense. That's actually what's happening though, right? Like people are going long after this bear bar ending on its high or low. People going long here. People went long probably here. Went long here again. They went long here. Like people are going long at the weirdest times and they're making money. So yeah, it makes sense. Nonsense market calls for nonsense trades. There's some moving average these guys are using that is making them enter all of these trades here with limit orders. I feel like there's some moving average that they're using. Could be the 10 MA, looks like. It might be. I imagine a 10 MA being pretty strong. Wow. We finally get to test pseudo test. We don't actually test it. We get close to it, but we don't actually test it. Are we actually going to test the 20 MA now? And by this time, after 1, 2, 3, it doesn't even test it though. Isn't that the issue here? It doesn't actually even test it. Oh my gosh. Do I just go long here? Terrible signal bar? Just go long just because the market is so bullish? I may just go long at the close of this bar if it's a bull bar like that on the 15-minute chart. I'm just gonna go long. Just gonna go long. 20 contracts. Just go long. Second entry long. Is it a miracle? Are we gonna get it? Of course not. Why would I think we would? We get close to the 20 MA, but don't actually touch it. Make a new high, so we lose our second entry long. Very cool stuff. It's gonna squeeze. At a certain time, this is gonna squeeze and it's gonna blast off. There it is. It squeezed a little earlier than I thought. I thought it was gonna squeeze at the close of the 15-minute bar, but squeezed a little earlier. I feel like usually when that happens, it kind of is when it reverses. Like all the bulls are out. Right, all the bulls are out now. I feel like that's what happens. And now you have all of these short orders waiting to be filled. Okay, popped up really hard there. And like, how big is this move? Like, let's just say you went long here. It's like 30 points, pandas. It's like 30 points. On a good day, you make 30 points on one trade. Like, what in the world is going on? I don't know if I really want to go long after that little burst up and reversal. That kind of shows me here there were a bunch of limit orders waiting. And the bulls are all out. At least they scalped out on that little snap to the upside. I don't know. The 15-minute candle looks strong. Two bull bars ending near their highs. I think it's just unfortunate, but I may just have to go long here. It's going to be nasty. I would prefer a second entry long if I can get it here. I would like a second entry long if I can get it here. Because we got the two bull bars on the 15-minute chart. I would like a second entry long here. I just don't know if the market will give it to me. Like, all this move, like, even this huge push to the upside, that's not even 20 points, man. It's not even 20 points. It's not even 20 points, man. What are we crying about here? All right, so that buy right at the close of the 15-minute bar was a good buy. Makes a new high. Right, I wanted the second entry long. So this is what happens, right? We don't get any second entry longs when we look for it. But when we're actually in a trade buying every break of previous candles high, a million second entry longs, third entry longs, fourth entry longs, a million that come out, all testing the 20 EMA and having strong reversals. Like, but when you are looking for a second entry long, now we've got 8 pushes up, and we don't get one. And we don't touch the 20 EMA one time. This looks like it touched it, but it actually didn't touch it. We didn't touch it one time, so I'm waiting. I'm waiting for an entry still. Isn't that crazy? I'm still waiting for an entry here. And I got nothing. Even this big move up, it's 14 points. It's a scalp. Freaking stupid. This is the dumbest market I've ever seen. I can't get in. I want one touch off the 20 MA. I just want a first entry off the 20 MA. That's all I want. Or a second entry long. Either one. Don't get either. So I'm just watching this blast off. 8 pushes up in a row without breaking a previous pivot low. Look at the 5-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bull bars in a row, pandas. Like, I know you think it's crazy when I just go long somewhere. But it's because of markets like this, I just go long anywhere sometimes. Because of markets like today. I just go long anywhere sometimes because of markets like today. Untradeable. Super choppy. And no tests of supports, such as a 20 MA. No second entry longs. All first entries. And it's just trickling to the upside. Like, trickling. Like, we're getting, like, 10-point pushes. That's it. 9th time's a charm. Do I just go long here? For kicks and giggles? No, I waited long enough. I'm just going to wait for a touch of the 20 MA. And like I said, by the time you actually get a touch of the 20 MA, it's so late in trend. Like, it's a stupid trade to take. It's so late in trend, like, you shouldn't even take it. That's the type of market we have today. It's all good. All good. It is what it is. All right. We're just going to do it. We're just going to do it. Just watch. Can you get it? Look at this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bull bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. This is stupid. We should look for some sort of measure move, thinking this is. I'm guessing this is the measure move. This is the deep pullback here. No touches of the 20 MA. Just trickling up. It all came off the failed second entry short here, and just literally just never came back down. I mean, I don't know, what can you do? And like now you enter long anywhere, it's pretty much you're dead because it's so late in trend. I mean, what can you do? Days like today, what can you do? And then inevitably it's gonna turn to a nasty trading range and just destroy you. No touches on the 20 MA the entire way up. Ever since here, we haven't touched the 20 MA one single time. We almost touched it, but we did not touch it actually. And it's a terrible signal bar to go long against. All first entries working out. The 15-minute bar, like I said, I kind of just wanted to go long right when it closed. And this is what happened right when it closed. We just went long here. Probably been best trade of the day if I just went long there. So, I mean, this is only 35 points. My gosh. Best trade of the day, 35 points. This is so stupid. What am I fighting here for? I'm looking for pennies right now. I've been staring at this market looking for pennies. It's unfortunate. What a day. What a day. Like, it's a good trend day, right? It's bullish trend day. Bull trend day. Worst price action ever, though. That's the worst part about it. It's actually a bull trend day, but it had to be wasted on a day like with this type of price action. My goodness gracious. My gosh. Wow, pandas. We get a second entry long. Super late in trend. Is it even worth taking? Is this even worth taking? Just a second entry long? Mid-air. Doesn't even touch the 20 MA. Why would I even try? Just out of pure like desperation at this point. And it's an outside bar reversal, making all things worse here. So late in trend, outside bar reversal, doesn't touch any supports, second entry long. Cool. I don't mess with this. I don't mess with markets like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. When you're 10 bars in on the 5-minute chart, usually people take profits here after 10 bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on a 10th bar. Most people take profits, so we're probably going to see somewhat of a deep retracement soon. most times, right? 10 to 12 bars. That's as kind of like where people look for profits, right? Like look at it. Like if you're like in a trade, like you want to protect some profits, like you're risking too much at this point. You gotta take some off the table. It's one of those markets that doesn't allow you to get in, and earlier on it's just diabolical. I didn't expect this, to look like this. I mean, we're probably touching 20 minutes, but it's gonna be like, it's gonna be ugly. I don't know if it's the right time now to test the 20 May. At least take a trade off the 20 May. It's first entry again, but now it's starting to be a little bit weird. All right, so we had 10 pushes up before breaking the previous candle's low or pivot low. 5-minute chart, literally, we never went below previous candle's low. And like what I was saying is like what I was looking for is like clean follow through. We got clean follow through here. So what I'm looking for, clean follow through here, clean follow through here, clean follow through here. We get it a little too late for me. Like I was looking for it here, but we got it here when it almost makes no sense to get it. Like it doesn't make any sense to get it here, but we got it, and it's disgusting. So like I'm gonna continue to trade in a way where it makes sense to me, and if it means that I don't enter these like disgusting, grindy, big trends, then so be it. I'm gonna miss days like today. I'm gonna miss entries like days today. I don't know. Do I want to go long here off the 20 MA? Finally touching it after about 100 bars. It's literally 100 bars, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 75 bars. The 76 bar, we finally touched the 20 MA first time. First time touching the 20 MA in 75 bars. And it's too late in trend. So can you take a trade off the 20 MA now? It doesn't make sense to, but here we go. Terrible signal bar. I waited a long time to touch the 20 MA, and finally we're here. Super late in trend, which means that this is a low probability trade with bad risk reward. I love it. I love low probability, bad risk reward trades. Those are my favorite type of trade. Low probability, bad risk reward. Let's go. All that wait for one contract. What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? You're saying I don't have the cojones to go more than one contract here? Is that what you're saying? I don't have the cojones to do it? At least 15 contracts. Now we're going beneath the 20 MA. I prefer this. If we're going to not bounce out the 20 MA, I'd rather just rip right through it and not even like tempt me. The 5-minute first break of the previous candle's low. And now we are clearly underneath the 20 MA. And kind of what I said, right? 10 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 10th bar, we're taking profits. To the T, I call that. Not confident enough to make a trade off that trade decision, but called it, nevertheless. I mean, what trade do I have here? Like, what am I looking for? Am I trying to go short? Am I trying to still go long? Like, what are we trying to do here, Pandas? I don't even know. It's actually ridiculous. Daily chart looks just hilarious. Okay. Like, I don't have anything because we don't bounce off the 20 May. I'm glad it went through it instead of like entering in a trade and then pushing back down. All right, I'm kind of glad it just went right through it, making it obvious like you shouldn't just go long here. It's too late in trend. Low or high? Interesting. Am I just a bear here? Do I just go short? Interesting. Okay. Okay. Um. I guess. I guess not. No clue. What's going on right now? Wowzers. Like, what a day. What an absolute just booty day. What a booty day. I just the problem is like I just don't know what's happening. That's the main issue. I don't know if I go long. Like if this is too late in trend, should I look for a short? Should I not? Should I like should I never go short in this situation because it's just such a strong bull trend? Like, what do I do in this situation, Panis? Don't know. I think I just watch as this floats back up. Incredible. Just floats back up. As if nothing ever happened. I thought like, this move down would warrant one more push to the downside, but apparently not. Apparently not. Possible top of a trading range here. Might double top. Wowzers. What am I looking for here? feel like I can't go long here either. I think I gotta end it. It's too disgusting. This price action is just too horrid. I don't even want to look at this anymore. Ugh. Cool. Okay. Pandas, that's it. We're down 425, and hopefully better day tomorrow. So I think that's it. I mean, I've been streaming for a while, and I haven't seen anything. I mean, this is just could not enter any of this nonsense. I was waiting for 20 MA. I was waiting for something reasonable, and nothing came about it. So what do I pay? I pay the price, right, for not just getting in here. The price I pay was FOMO. You know, the price I pay was no trades. So, Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day, and hopefully we'll make some good bandwidth tomorrow. But I'm still looking for that day that we'll get some clean price action, some clean movements, clean follow through on breakouts. We still haven't had it, Pandas. We're still looking for it, and unfortunate that we get days like today. So, Pandas, it is what it is. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. As always, happy trading. Bye.